Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the NYASSA luxury wooden gift set, a 7-piece 100% vegetarian hamper perfect for men, women, or couples, ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or any special occasion. It includes hibiscus shampoo and conditioner, Moroccan rose shower gel, and body lotion, plus 3 handmade soaps in Moroccan rose under the ocean, and Temple Mogra scents, all crafted with natural ingredients. Let's see if it's a spa-worthy gift. First up, the packaging. It's stunning. Shipped by NYASSA on Amazon, it arrived in a gorgeous wooden box per their site. Amazon reviews call it gift ready, and I agree. So elegant, no wrapping needed. Starting with the hibiscus shampoo, 30 ml. I massaged it into wet hair and it lathered gently. Per web details, it's got aloe vera and grapeseed extract. My hair felt clean and soft. Amazon users say it's great for daily use. The hibiscus conditioner, 30 ml. I applied it to my ends and it detangled beautifully. It's hydrating with sweet almond oil. My hair was shiny, but some note the small size. The Moroccan rose shower gel, 30 milliliters. I used it with a loofah and it's luxurious. The rose scent is floral and soothing. Per NYASSA, it's paraben-free and gentle. My skin felt refreshed. The Moroccan rose body lotion, 30 milliliters. It's lightweight and non-greasy. I applied it post-shower and it kept my skin soft. Per reviews, the scent lingers. The 3 handmade soaps, 25g each, are tiny but lovely. Moroccan rose is floral, Under the Ocean is aquatic, and Temple Mogra is divine. They're enriched with honey and vitamin E, perfect for travel, but some Amazon reviews say they're overpriced for the size. This set's cruelty-free, vegetarian, and natural, not cheap at around 1,500 rupees, but the quality shines, ideal for gifting. Small sizes are a drawback per reviews. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a spa routine. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe.